Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So this is just an updated video to the marble contact paper that I applied to my countertop at my last apartment. So I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to remove the countertop. As you can see, the marble paper is still intact. Everything looks good and great, but I was moving, so I did have to remove the contact paper. Everything good, no scratches or scuffles. In some areas like this, the paper will rip off in small little pieces, but other sections, it just, you'll see later on, I was able to just pull it right up. But it just came off like little pieces of sticker paper in some areas, but it didn't leave any residue or anything like that. So as you can see, this is a great idea for apartments or, pretty much just renter friendly, period. Or even if, you own your house and you just want to update it really quick and cheap and easy. I'll also leave down the video of me applying this contact paper to my kitchen counters as well as my bathroom counters. But I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to remove it, and the fact that it does not leave a residue, no sticky residue. I didn't have to go back with no alcohol or, anything like that. It came off with ease. And if the apartment that I just moved into wasn't updated with granite countertops, I definitely would have been applying the same marble contact paper to both of my countertops in the kitchen as well as the bathroom. But I didn't have to do that. So if you have plain white countertops like this or countertops that you just do not like, this will be a great idea for you. And as you see, I do have to put in a little force to actually remove the paper. So that goes to show that you don't have to worry about the paper coming up or bubbling up or over time or anything like that, because it's on there really good and it removes really easy. It lasts a long time. I did this almost 2 years ago and my countertop still looks good. I even had maintenance come in at the beginning and was like, "Whoa, wait, did we do this?" They were so confused because that's how good it looks in person. Like, friends that came back over is like, "Oh my God, you got your counters done?" No, sis, it's that contact paper. So this is just a quick update, just showing you guys how easy it is to remove it and for you to go and check out the video if you didn't see how I applied the contact paper. All right, guys, I love you. Please thumbs up this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time. Bye.